This is a 2026 Colorsun X13. We push it to the extreme by printing 50 images in a row to test its quality, comparing the first and last prints to see if there is any color shift, whether long-term printing causes ink breaks, and whether the white ink circulation system really works. Many machines look great on the first print, but fall apart afterward. So why go through all this? Because printing quality is X13's most important feature. It packs industrial-grade power into a desktop frame. It runs the legendary Epson i3200 HD printhead, supports up to 720 by 3600 dpi resolution, and it delivers speeds of up to 51.6 square feet per hour, striking an excellent balance between speed and precision. It also comes with the full zero-clog maintenance system. I've never stress tested a DTF printer like this before, so can the Colorsun X13 handle it? Let's find out. Here's everything included in the box: the X13 machine, a roll of DTF film, bottles of ink, and other accessories. For the full list, you can check the official site. That's the basic X13 bundle. They also sell bundles with an oven, powder shaker, and a curing machine, which come with automatic powder shaking and curing. I'll show those shortly. You'll need to install the bracket for the transfer film, which is very simple. Regarding the design of the X13, it weighs around 80 kilograms and measures 29.5 by 11.8 by 11.4 inches, making it one of the most compact DTF machines I've seen. It fits easily on the desktop. The front has a half-transparent acrylic lid. Normally you'd close it during printing, but I left it open in this video so you can see the process clearly. Look inside the printing chamber. You'll notice a built-in alignment scale for quick calibration, vacuum suction holes on the platform to keep the film flat, and the pressure rollers that form the transfer film in place during fitting. The rollers can be controlled all at once with a single front button, which is much better than manually adjusting them. It prevents uneven film and misalignment. The touch screen allows you to control film fitting, reverse lid, clean the printhead, and more. I won't go through every single function here, but it's very intuitive. There's also built-in cut strip so you can trim the film cleanly after printing. At the back, you'll find the ink cartridges, transfer film, and waste bottle. The ink cartridge capacity is 250 milliliters. The ink is also compatible with other brands, so you can use third-party replacements if needed. That's definitely a thumbs up. Some companies lock into proprietary ink and charge premium prices, which isn't ideal. The system automatically replenishes moisturizing fluid to keep the printhead hydrated during idle periods, which helps prevent clogging. Additionally, the white ink circulation system keeps the white ink constantly moving, preventing sedimentation and reducing clogging issues. That's basically the design. And yes, the printing head is clearly labeled Epson i3200 HD on the side. For new DTF users, the Epson i3200 ranks at the top choice among consumer-level DTF printers. Most consumer-level machines settle for lower-end printheads, but this is the first time I've seen an Epson i3200 on a desktop DTF printer. Printing quality is the main focus here, and does the X13 deliver? Why not just jump straight to printing quality? The app is one of the easiest I've used on any DTF printer. Import the image, resize it, choose the resolution. This X13 supports up to 720 by 3600 dpi, the finest I've seen. For multiple prints, just set the number of copies and hit print. That's it. For batch printing, 720 by 2400 dpi is more than enough. But for a single image, choose the highest resolution for the best quality. After printing, cut the film, then move on to powder shaking and curing. It's a little bit more manual compared to some all-in-one machines I've used, but it can save you thousands of dollars if you buy each component separately. If you prefer automation, Colorsun offers a powder shaker and a curing machine bundle. You just connect to the main print, and it automatically shakes the powder and cures the film. You only need to take the final cured film. I tested 50 prints in a row, and X13 operated very stably. The dried white film on the back is smooth and even. Well done! As for print quality, I would say this is the best I've ever seen on a DTF printer. The colors are vibrant and full, the gradients are smooth and natural, the details are sharp and precise, and there are no common issues like gaps or ink breaks that you often see with cheaper printers. Even after printing 50 copies in a row, the first and last prints are indistinguishable to the naked eye. To make it even more obvious, I compared it to my logo printer with an F1080 print head. The difference is immediately noticeable. The F1080 prints are grainy and lack clarity. Like I said before, if we want the best print quality from a consumer-level DTF printer, the X13 is it. The final step is transferring the cured film onto fabric. This process is similar to other DTF printers. In this video, I demonstrated transfers on a t-shirt and tote bag. With the right heat press, you can also print on shoes or hats, though I won't be showing that here. I've tested prints with heavy washing and repeat wear. There was no peeling, cracking, or fading. Even time text stays perfectly intact. You can be confident that these transfers are durable and built to last. Alright, that's my review of the 2026 Colorsun X13. If there's one takeaway, it's this. The X13 proves you don't need an industrial size machine to get industrial level stability. It is survived a field print stress test with no visible drop in quality, no clogging, and perfect color consistency, setting a new standard for compact DTF printers. With the legendary Epson i3200 HD printing head and the intelligent zero clog maintenance system, it delivers constantly vibrant data prints even during long runs. Whether you are scanning small business or want the highest print quality for custom projects, the X13 produces professional results reliably. While the basic setup requires separate powder shaking and curing, the optional automatic bond makes the workflow seamless and efficient. In short, if print consistency, sharp details, and color fidelity are your priorities, the Colorsun X13 is a good option. It's a standout. And by the way, if you order now, Colorsun has an exclusive pre-order offer, 2 years of free premium ink, valued at $1,000, delivered every 2 months, plus a permanent 10% discount on all DTF consumables. For its price and performance, it's one of the most compelling consumer-level DTF printers available today. And if you are interested, check out the link in the description and order one now. Thanks for watching, and Sam will see you in the next one. Bye bye.